Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Avinash sir. My name is Abhiraj Chauhan. I am here with my topic. My topic is inventory planning and control. So, before I discussed about my topic, firstly, I want to introduce myself. So, my name is Abhiraj Chauhan. I am from Buldhana district, Khamgaon, and currently I am pursuing MBA in first year in DYPIMS Akudi, Pune. Still, I did my BCom uh, at my past education journey, and so I think this is time to discuss about my topic. So inventory planning and control. Inventory planning and control refers to the process of managing the supply, storage and accessibility of goods to ensure that the right products and available in the right quality at the right time while minimizing cost. It is essential for business to maintain a balance between demand and supply to avoid overstocking or overstocks. Key aspects. Now we can see some key aspects of inventory planning and control. So first is demand forecasting, that predicting future demand using historical data, market trends, and seasonal variations. Okay. So second one is help. It also helps in deciding the right stock levels to prevent shortages or excess inventory. Second one is inventory classification, that categorizing inventory based on importance using techniques like ABC analysis, A highway value, B medium value, C low value items. Helps it also helps in prioritizing resources and management. Now third one is stock replacements policies, determining record level, safety stock and lead time to ensure continuous supply. Okay. On the third point, the second one is common techniques include just in time, JIIT, economic order quantity, EQQ, and minimum order quantity, MQQ. Okay. So fourth one is inventory control techniques. The first is in first out, FIFO, ensures older stock is sold first, useful for perishable goods. Okay, and the last in first out, LIFO, uses the most recently acquired inventory first common in inflationary conditions. And then, now come to the fifth point, fifth aspect, sorry, technology and automation. Okay, so this is very useful for us using enterprise and also informative for us, sorry. Using enterprise resources planning, ERP, and inventory management software for real-time tracking helps in reducing human errors and improving efficiency. Sixth one is cost control and optimization. This is also very informative for us. An important point: managing holding cost, storage, insurance, ordering cost, and storage cost. It also reducing waste, shrinkage, and obsolescence to optimize profitability. Number seven is supplier relationship management, ensuring reliable supply chain partnerships to prevent delays and stock shortages. Then last one is eight, that is performance metrics and monitoring, tracking key performances indicators, KPIs like inventory turnovers ratio, order accuracy, stock out rates, and carrying costs, and helps in continuous improvement and efficiency. Now come to the conclusion, sir. The conclusion is effective inventory planning and control are crucial for reducing costs, improving cash flow, and ensuring customer satisfaction. By using forecasting technologies and strategies management, businesses can maintain optimal inventories level and streamline operations also. The companies that fail to manage inventory efficiency may face excess cost, lost sales, and operational efficiencies, leading to reduced profitability. So this is all about the inventory and control. The inventory and control, it is a crucial part in supply chain management, and it is a very useful in manufacturing industries and other sectors like agriculture sectors, and every sector. It is very helpful and very important and informative also for us. And this is all from my side, sir. Thank you so much. Hope you like my topic and my explanation also. This was my first video, and thank you so much everyone for listening this, and thank you so much Avinash sir for your always time. You always there for us, so thank you.